Hi, I'm Renee.
I'm Justin, and this is MoJo Bus. Come on in.
This is one of our favorite prized features. It's a passenger seat that kind of can sit next to the driver. You like that? A lot of people seem to enjoy that as well.
It's nice. That's a key feature. We can talk to each other. So somebody sitting back here, you can't talk over the engine. So then we just got some storage up in here.
Messy medicine cabinet.
Medicine cabinet, if you will. Nice and easy. Charge controller coming in so we can monitor our battery power and everything. This is the bus's fuse panel. We got more storage here. This is our pantry. Keep all our cups and canned goods and wonderful stuff like that. And below this is our battery bank, our inverter, another monitoring system so we can monitor our battery power. Step back here, closet / shower. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it from there if I open it, unless you come around. So, that's pretty nice to have a shower. No hot water though.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Here, come more like this deep. Full circle.
We'll let you come in past here because I want to show you another feature in the shower. I like this. We got this for like 15 bucks. This is our shower. It's got a pump all the way on the bottom. We drop it in that 5-gallon container over there. Plug it into our cigarette lighter. Nice, cheap, easy shower solution. I really like that one.
I suppose you can put the jug out in the sun and
Oh yeah, let it heat up.
cover it in a black cloth and
Absolutely.
wait till it gets nice and warm. And
We've done that, but normally we leave it out all day and partway through the night so it cools back down.
right.
So, this is our counter. We made it out of, got probably 30-year-old pine and walnut. We got a sink. And we just got it running off a 12-volt pump. Pretty simple, nice. Regular old Home Depot fridge freezer unit. Uses quite a bit of battery power for that freezer. Not the best thing in the world, but
That's why I gave mine up.
It works. So our sink system is pretty simple. We got a 7-gallon jug in the back filled with clean water. Dirty water goes in here and we dump it every now and again. More storage under here. This is our dishes and silverware. Fun stuff. So we have a permanent queen-size bed there, which is nice with a whole bunch of storage underneath. So we didn't want to get rid of comfort for more space, so we definitely figured if we were in here full time, we wanted the permanent bed in there.
Storage you can access from.
Yeah, tons of storage.
From the store as well.
I can just pop this open. We have a drawer set under there and just a bunch of stuff that can access right there.
Nice latch.
Over here is our couch sitting area. This is a futon, so we actually can just pull it out.
Often referred to as Katie's
Down
bed.
it goes.
And then we have storage back here where we just keep random things.
Right.
Storage is pretty key. Oh, it's hitting the cardboard back there. One of my favorite features are blinds. They're built into the wall. You just slide up and down. Got a piece of leather and a ball latch. They do really good. A lot of the questions we get is make sure people can't see through here. And unless you don't have a harsh backlight, but you see shadow, but I mean our regular lights are perfectly fine.
Right.
So that's pretty nice. Under the futon is our clothes storage. Nice and simple. So I think that's about it. We got
What have you got for solar?
so I've got 300 watts of solar on the panel coming to a 3,000 watt inverter. I've got about 200 amp hours of battery power, which on cloudy days isn't the best. I got to up that because this fridge kills it.
You mean like today?
Like today. We have
It's been raining all day.
Yeah, we just found our first leak. We're a little heartbroken. But
Yeah, that's no fun.
No.
But we got our little LED light strips, party lights,
Yep.
like most buses do. Up here we just have some plywood,
8-inch birch.
1/8 birch underlayment that we just nice and easily curved to the bus roof, and we covered all the seams, made it look all nice like a little hobbit hole in here.
Yep.
So that's about it. Anything else you need to add?
We were having a really big problem with it getting cold by our faces from these huge windows back here, so we just threw some insulation, wrapped it in material, and just wedged it in there, and it's been a huge difference. And those two back windows also have it behind that white.
And if you want your iPad or iPhone, we've got our little attachment above our bed there so we can lay in bed and watch movies. That thing's awesome.
That thing's huge.
That thing's a little too long. They make shorter ones. That one you kind of got to fold on.
Sort of looks like something out of a Dr. Seuss thing.
But it's pretty. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
So, thank you.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming aboard.
And if people want to follow you online,
Sure. We got our Instagram. We're MoJo_Bus. Or you can go to our website at www.mojo-bus.com. So, thanks, guys.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig. And join us again next Saturday for another episode.